Hi, do you want to know what are the latest real estate trends are in the marketplace? Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. I think we can all agree that 2024 has been off to a great start in the housing industry compared to 2023. We have more inventory on the market for buyers and rates have dipped down a bit. So, what are some of the trends we are seeing in the market? One of the biggest trend is multi-generational living. According to the National Association of Realtors, more buyers are opting into living with generations of family. Two of the top reasons for this type of purchase has to do with aging parents. 27% of the buyers choose to live in multi-generational living to take care of their parents and 19% made this move to spend more time with them. Another big factor in buying a multi-generational home is sharing costs like mortgage payments and utilities to make owning a home more affordable. This can be especially helpful to first-time home buyers who struggle with overall affordability. Of course, this lifestyle may not be for everyone, and it is important to make sure this is something you really want to do as a family before making an offer. Looking for the perfect multi-generational home is also a bit trickier than finding a regular house. You have more people, which means there are more needs to think about. Having the right agent by your side to help to navigate this process is key to a successful close. If you would like more information on the current inventory and prices in your area, please reach out to my team and me so that we can help to strategize your next move and make home buying a reality for you. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and realtor with a tradition of excellence and integrity. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.